In primetime news this evening, social media crash. Major internet platforms offline for hours. We assess the impact with the experts. COVID halts one Don gang trial. And delayed again. Windalco Nepa Rio Cobra fish kill trial put off because of interpreter selection issues. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, how did you get through the day without the use of social media platforms, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet at televisionjam. Now please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.